बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल DIY craft videos. So viewers, in this video I am showing you a most beautiful and very stunning seashell centerpieces decoration ideas. These are the most beautiful and super stunning seashell craft ideas for you guys. These are very amazing and very stunning seashell craft ideas for you guys, and you enjoyed this video. I hope so. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more updates. These are very beautiful and very amazing seashell craft ideas for you guys. So if you want different other craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very pretty, these are very amazing and very stunning ideas for you guys. You also make these type of craft or centerpieces ideas at your home, and you also watch tutorials on YouTube how to make these type of centerpieces ideas for your homes. These are very amazing and very unique seashell craft ideas for you guys. Always keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos. These are super amazing and gorgeous seashell craft ideas for you guys. Always think positive, always be positive. These are very pretty and very unique seashell craft ideas for you guys. So remember me in your prayers. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, guys.